Do you want confidence when reversing your 3 Series BMW? Well, perhaps a reverse camera retrofit is what you need. John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor, and today we're going to be showing you around this F30 3 Series BMW that's come in for a reverse camera retrofit. A genuine BMW reverse camera, not an aftermarket one. So let's take you around the back and show you what it looks like first. So what we do is we replace the tailgate handle with a complete replacement piece. There are aftermarket versions of this, but this is a genuine BMW version. Now this works with the factory iDrive screen in the front of the car. So what we'll do is we'll jump inside the car now and we'll show you what it looks like. So what we're going to do is get in the car, we're going to start her up, and then we're going to put it in reverse, and then the camera is going to appear on this original iDrive screen at the top here. We're going to get parking sensor overlay on the left. We're going to get guidelines on the original screen, which actually move with the steering wheel. So as I turn the steering wheel from left to right, the guidelines move with that. We also get the factory obstacle markers that appear on the screen. Now they will move and change colour as you get closer and further away from objects. Now I'm going to try and not run the cameraman over, and I'm going to go back. Probably going to shut the door for this. And as you see, they get closer and they move around the screen, and eventually they're going to go red to indicate that you're very close and I've nearly run over the cameraman. Sorry, Max. So that's a genuine parking camera retrofit on this original screen. We can do this on many other cars, not always genuine, some are aftermarket on other manufacturers. Get in contact and find out what we can do for you. Links are in the description, the contact details. As always, my name is Connor from John Cleese Car Audio, signing off. See you later.